Hello students. Students, are you fine? Sure? Yes. Students, today we are going to discuss with you your politics class 9 and it's the lesson 3 electoral politics. And which topic? Today we are going to discuss these are what is the process of election in India? Is it good to have a political competition? What do you mean by reserved constituency? What is electoral list? First, what is the process of election in India? That means in here we should be understand what is the process, how on which system election is going to held, election is going to complete. So in here we should be understand very important fact. Our government has made a very important organization which is called Election Commission. Election Commission control all electing system in country related to the country or concerning to the states or districts election also. So students, in our democratic system, Election Commission first declare the date on which date which constituency election is going to held. Related other date also, for example, nomination candidate, voting date, as a serial wise, first some limited place, other time. That means if any states have been 400 constituency, they can give the chance to some limited constituency in some chance. That means 4 part or 6 part, 7 part, it's giving the chance to election. That means some seats in date 5, some other seats in date 8, some other seats in date 12, like that. So, and after this date, election is going to complete, people give the vote to related representative, which persons we want to give the vote, and after that this is going to counting. After counting one person, one representative, all constituency is going to be decided as a representative, and that representative decide the leader as a PM and as a CM also to related place in central or state. This is the process of election, which has become under the democratic system. So students, but in here our other point which we are going to discuss, is it good to have a political competition? So students, our democratic process has been given these systems. So our such types of leader who was that time while making the constitution, they try to decide such as process. Without competition, what it means to giving vote a particular person. If any seats have only one candidate, then all persons sure will give. That means he already has been. So competition is good. Without competition, a people are representative to be free. They try to do anything as they thought their mind. So competition is important. Without competition, they cannot understand what is the will, what is the importance of the people. So if competition will present, they will say in campaign what will do after winning my election. Without competition, they don't say anything. They win the election. They do everything, whatever they decide by self. They don't try to understand what is the importance of our constituency's pupils. What is the means of pupil? Because they can understand, in here I have no competition, I will win myself. So what do means of support giving making rules related to the pupils to our constituency? So students, it's important. What do you mean by reserve constituency. It's a very important fact point, students. It is a debate topic. So student, first in here we try to understand what is means of reserve constituency. Before understanding reserve constituency, we should know what is reservation. Actually, reservation is the process which has been given under our constituency to our reserve or specific religious caste or group who has been a specific area in different type of work. For example, in any vacancies, in any area, in work, in education, in hospital, and in election also. For that, a seat has been reserved a particular area. This is called reserve constituency. This system has been made while making our constitution. It is the process of previous time, and it's going to be amended or changed also by the government, by the parliament, by the related governments. If government fail, this village, this area, this districts, maximum persons has been in reserve caste or reserve religions related, they try to decide that place as a reserve constituency, as a village pradhan, as a nagar palika, municipality, and jila panchayat, legislation, MLA, MP. Many constituency reserve seat has been present from previous times, and that place only that persons can stand as a candidate who will belong to the reserve category. They may relate to any party or independent, but their source should be a reserve category. This matter, this concern is called as a reserve constituency or reserve person. So students, last topic, what is the electoral list? So student, electoral list is the list. It is the group of people, you can say, where all persons name details has been present who are citizens of our constituency or our country or our state related place. It is the electoral list. All members, all citizens name details has been present to there who can give the vote, who has competence to give the vote, and by watching, by understanding this list, people can give and related authority who will present to that place in election place, they watch name of that person, then can he give the permission to giving the vote to that person. So students, it is the electoral list. So students, under this video we have to discuss 4 points. First, what is the process of election in India? Second, is it good to have a political competition? Third, what do you mean by reserve constituency? And fourth, what is electoral list? So students, other important point also be discussed in next video also students. So thank you very much students.